So I'm going to talk about how we are leveraging Erlang in transaction platforms. To be honest, my first exposure and acquaintance to Erlang was at redBus. So when I was introduced to Erlang, I was like, man. And then when I did my research on Erlang, I learned that this is something that was done for, like for telephonic communications. And how is it? How did anybody even think that that's going to fit in the e-commerce space? But then once I did a deeper dive, then I was able to appreciate why Erlang was used. So I'm thinking of few things. One is, if you look at the processes, right? So as a programmer of any programming language, dealing with threats is like playing with fire. So you are definitely going to end up with bruises and fire burns everywhere. So what Erlang does is, Erlang does not directly let you play with these system threads. In fact, instead it gives you the processes, and then the processes are scheduled on one of the system threads. So that is one of the reasons why like even Erlang can make a transactional platform scale much better when there is a lot of load on the system. So that was one of the things I liked about Erlang as it pertains to transactional platform. The other thing was, Erlang it's a functional programming paradigm. From an object-oriented programming world, I am very familiar with variables. But now, Erlang has variable, but it's not a variable, because a variable is something that can vary. But Erlang, it is a variable, but it's a constant. So it's just a pattern. Right? Variable is just another form of a pattern. So that is one thing that I liked. Like the immutability in Erlang, right? So immutability will extend itself into thread safety and all those things. So which essentially means that the concurrent processing will not have any hiccups. So that's the other aspect of Erlang that I like as it pertains to transaction platform.